Monday morning, well, almost noon. We are headed in for a recovery on fins and things, the South Loop, I guess. Don't know a lot about it. Heard something about welding something, so we are headed in there to take a gander at it. As we were leaving the shop, got another recovery call. Something on hills also needs to be welded, so it's gonna be a good day today. Cloudy on the mountains and sunny out here on the rocks.
Time to pass as a dirt biker. It's not just whenever you feel. No, it absolutely is. You should wait until the vehicle you're passing is on an obstacle and it has duals and a trailer. That's the best time to pass. Yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, you can see that one from a distance.
A distance.
This distance is about 1.5 feet, but it could be seen from other distances as well.
Yeah.
Well, good news, it's not super mangled.
I broke this like just after coming up there.
Right up here? Okay.
No,
yeah.
the other side, like.
Oh, gotcha. Up and over.
Yeah, and so I stopped at the top and like it made a weird noise. I looked and like the lower control arm mount was broken from the axle. So I kind of strapped it up with some climbing straps I had, and it looked like it was kind of staying in place.
Yeah.
I figured I would just get it to a better place and maybe drive it to sand flats, but then I came down here and I guess it...
oh, it probably pushed back up and...
That's exactly what happened. Pushed back up, like bent the fender, took the like fender flare off, and it's moved back quite a lot now, right? I actually put the rock there and backed the Jeep up a little to try
to kind of
push the axle forward again, and it's not really where it's supposed to be.
Okay.
So at that point, I figure it's just better to call for help. Since somebody said you guys may be able to weld this.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we've done this a handful of times before, so.
Yeah. I mean,
You know what welder you want to use?
Um,
You got the bar welder.
yeah, probably the MIG.
So it looks like that bolt is
Yeah,
seized into this center piece here. Yeah. Got it. See, this is what it's like working on cars in the Midwest.
Yeah?
Everything's rusted together and...
Yeah, I hate it. Yeah, I think this should have been penetrated oiled like 15 years ago. But it is not moving in or out or anything. So now I'm just trying to bend it around. Alrighty.
Do you want me to put this rock in front of the rear tires?
Yeah, well, we need, if it's in two-wheel drive, put it in park. There we go. That's doing more what I want.
Also turn the wheel just to try to get it to like
Nice.
allow me to pull it. Do you think straightening the front wheel will help at all? 'Cause
How are we looking, Mike?
Very close. A little more. Tiny bit more. Right there.
Okay. Where's the bolt?
It's on this rock.
Okay, we like that. Okay,
wait,
now.
you dropped the washer.
Oh, perfect. Thank you, sir. Hello. All right, here's something kind of cool. See this plant? That's rhubarb. It grows like crazy in the spring, and then it dies in the summer, then it grows again in the fall, and then it dies in the winter. But you can make rhubarb pie.
Rest.
Maybe it's resting. That's what it's
Maybe
doing.
it's not dead, it's just resting.
Yeah.
Missed it.
They both gave up. Yeah, we definitely did a bit of a wheel there. Wheelie. Sorry guys, I missed the action. I pointed at the back tires thinking we were going to do a slick burnout. But instead we did an awesome wheelie. Alright, so this is top of the world. At the bottom of the top of the world is a Jeep Buggy. I think that's our guy.
All right. So, is this your car?
Yeah, it's mine. We just built it after 4 years. Came straight here from Colorado.
Okay.
So,
What happened? What went wrong?
well, we were just coming down this hill. We've
Okay.
been poison spider and stuff, and nothing's been wrong with it. But we came down here and just gave it a little bit too much brake, and finally that weld snapped. That was the only one I really missed. The top of it just had a tack.
Okay.
And I just had too much leverage tweaking it down, and boom.
All right. I see what happened there.
Stretched the brake lines pretty good.
You just want it tacked on there then so you can get out of here?
Yeah, if you could just, I mean, I'm gonna have to redo it anyway.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna need it
Yeah,
some changes and some
Yeah, I
things.
gotta tweak it this way a little bit.
Yeah.
We all know.
I didn't know. My letter number combos were wrong. I was thinking it might have originally started as CJ, but turns out it's a YJ, kinda.
Yes. Yes. See, he's getting it.
I'm learning. I'm not real good at it. So is that the same as Wiley?
The YJ's never had a U or an R.
Okay.
Yeah, same as Wiley.
Same as Wiley? Because, yeah, see, so here's what you're looking for all you guys that don't know. Square headlights.
And the hood's
Indicates
different.
something.
The hood is different.
Okay.
The tub is the same as the 7.
All right. Hood,
The hood
different.
and the grill are different.
All right. All right. So we got them patched up.